Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of cleaning products to put one to the ultimate test. Moxy Acid Cleaner. Is it a miracle worker or just another scam? Stick around to find out. So, what exactly is Moxy Acid Cleaner? This cleaning solution promises to tackle tough stains, limescale, and grime, especially in high building deposits like bathrooms, kitchens, and even outdoor spaces. It's marketed as a powerful tool for anyone looking to simplify their cleaning routine. But before you reach for your wallet, let's look closer. Moxy claims to be a fast-acting, heavy-duty cleaner that eliminates even the toughest stains in minutes. Sounds too good to be true, right? To put it to the test, it contains a mix of citric acid and surfactants, which are known for their cleaning power. But are they safe? It's crucial to read warnings and be cautious about exposure. While the label states it's non-toxic, I always advise wearing gloves and working in a well-ventilated area. I've scoured the internet for reviews and opinions on Moxy. Some users rave about the effectiveness,